1 hour and 47 minutes. My first fun build. A little boat. It's called a benchy. You'll see the spelling in the text. It's basically to test the accuracy of the printing. But it was a cute little print for me too anyway. So let's try to take a close look at it. Yep. I think that surface is just really nice. There's lots of layers in this, but they're really lined up well. No salmon skin, as it said. Got a little flaw right in there. Somebody put some kind of writing on the back and on the bottom. Guess it's the person who created this. CT3D Toy 2. Can't make out the rest of that very well. Maybe after I get the glass bed. Now then, looking at the cabin, it really looks nice. The top, it's just really nicely printed. Little steering wheel in there. That's cute. Nice addition. The deck looks really nice. The forecastle looks really nice. That is just a really nice 3D print, bar none.